Whiz Robot is a commercial-grade autonomous vacuum cleaning robot developed by SoftBank Robotics in collaboration with Brain Corp. It is designed to support human cleaning staff in environments like offices, hotels, hospitals, and airports by automating the repetitive task of vacuuming large floor areas. Whiz Robot can clean faster and more consistently than manual vacuuming. It operates up to 3 hours per charge in standard mode, streamlining vacuuming in large hospitality and institutional environments. It frees staff from repetitive vacuuming, allowing them to focus on higher-value tasks. Whiz Robot learns and memorizes up to 600 cleaning routes, enabling repeatable autonomous operation after training. It navigates autonomously after an initial teaching session, saving staff time. It uses HEPA filtration, removing dust, allergens, and bacteria. It is equipped with bump sensors to detect obstacles and prevent collisions. It works well in tight corridors,